What's up friends, in this video I'm going to show you how to pause all notifications on Asana. To do that, you can go ahead and click your account on the upper right hand side and go to settings. Then on the notifications, scroll down to the bottom and you'll find the do not disturb. Once you expand this or click on it, you will see that it shows pause notifications. So you can simply tap on that and you can pause all the notifications for a period of time. Here you can see it ranges from 30 minutes until the next day, which is until tomorrow. So you get a 24-hour pause right there. Right, you can also set up the do not disturb for days, so you can check certain days that you don't want to be disturbed. Let's say, for example, weekend and so forth. Here as well, you can set it for a specific schedule. So here you can check this box right here, and then you can manage the hours if you want to manage something differently as well. But that's pretty much it. Once you're done, you can either go back and just reset the settings that you have, or simply go ahead and let's say resume notifications. And that's it guys, very easy and very simple.